Good morning, good early morning, and if you're up and it's late, good evening, because it's actually about 1:15 a.m. on December 1st. Happy Vlogmas, everybody. As you may be able to tell, I am very excited and happy for Vlogmas, guys. I have been waiting all year to come to this. I love Vlogmas. I love vlogging every day. That's something I do on a normal basis, but I love to be able to vlog about my favorite time of the year, which is Christmas. This is Vlogmas Day 1 video from my crazy big black family. And if you're new to this vlog and Vlogmas video, get subscribed and give us a like on this video. So today's Vlogmas video, Day 1 video, will be my Christmas prayer for the year. That's going to be my Vlogmas Day 1 video. And what that is I'm actually going to say a prayer that is going to be for all my subscribers, all my viewers, and all my potential watchers and viewers on my crazy big black family on YouTube, so that they can have well wishes and a good blessings and good journey throughout this Christmas season and upcoming Christmas holiday, guys. So my prayer for the year, Vlogmas Day 1, is, God, may you please bless all my family, all my existing family, and all my welcoming family, all those to my crazy big black family. I pray that you bless us all with an amazing upcoming Christmas. I pray that those that are not fortunate enough to be able to provide or make it through this Christmas, I pray that you put your hand on them and that you give them a blessing and that you make it possible for them to still be able to enjoy the upcoming Christmas holiday. I pray for those people who are missing loved ones in the upcoming season and the upcoming holidays. I pray that you give them the strength and the know-how and the peace of mind to be able to bear the upcoming holidays, guys. I pray for fortune, good fortune, and well wishes to all of you guys throughout the year. And I ask you, Jesus, to make us have an amazing next couple of weeks, and that we that are crunching time to make sure that we have a nice holiday, make it possible for us to have abundance in whatever way you see form or fit. I pray that all the children be blessed with an amazing Christmas. I pray that all the families are blessed with financial know-how to be able to provide. And if not, I pray that somebody somewhere will help somebody, lend a hand, help a hand to provide for those who are in the need, guys. I pray for the hungry people this year. I pray for those that are homeless. I pray that this year, guys, this upcoming season and Christmas season, that we will be able to embrace the loved ones and the happiness that we have in our own homes and in our own lives, as well as try to reach out to somebody that may be in need and may need a love and a hug and a kiss and an embracement. Our love comes from Him up above, and I ask you guys to continue to bless us with love, compassion, empathy, and the strength to get through the upcoming holidays, because we as well miss loved ones that are not here anymore. I ask you, Jesus, on my Christmas prayer for the year, to please guide us through this year and guide us through this holiday, and guide us with your empathy, with your compassion, and with your righteousness and direction, that we can get through these holidays, guys. And it's with you, guys, I say blessings to all of you. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. Happy upcoming Christmas holiday season. And welcome to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. And please, I hope if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to this channel, that you feel it in your heart with a little Christmas spirit to get subscribed. Love somebody today. Send somebody kisses, well wishes, and spread the holiday cheer. Spread it everywhere. Spread love. But don't forget, show compassion and empathy for those that are less fortunate. Love you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. And it is my Christmas prayer for the year is the title for this. Mwah. Happy Vlogmas Day 1, guys. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 2 tomorrow, December 2nd, 2023. Happy upcoming holidays, guys. Love you.